Hello everyone, this is the 31st video of our YouTube video series, and in this video we will discuss about how we can manage our projects as well as the job. Here you can see this one is our GitHub repository that completed project, and here you can see that company posted the particular job, particular project. That company can manage that job or project from here. If the company wants to edit some kind of details in that particular job or project, they can edit or they can remove that particular requirement. Okay, so this kind of things we will discuss in this video. I sorry for the late of this particular video because I busy in some kind of work. That's the reason the video coming late. Okay, so here you can see in our previous video we were discuss about showing accepted and rejected job project application. So we separated the accepted as well as the rejected job application, and that previous video in 29th video we were discuss about how we can update our project and job status. Okay, so let's start this video. So here you can see I already log into my company module. Here you can see Wipro Technology, and whenever you click on a nav bar, there is an option that is a manage jobs and project. Here you can see whenever I click this kind of button, there will be a error we can face right now. But whenever I'm just clicking on that particular button, we have to load that particular page, and that page we have to show these all kind of projects as well as the job. Okay, so first thing we have to do, we have to load that particular page. So we have to come to our drive, then HTML files, then pages, and here you can see the page called as a history job and project. Click on that and you have to download that particular page. So I already have that page, so I can clearly copy this code from here. So here you can see history of job and project. Click on that and we have to copy this entire code from here. So before that I have to come to my project. Here you can see we have to come to our company controller. Here you can see src main java, and there is a test.controller and company controller, and here we have to create the mapping for that load particular page. Okay, so I'm just writing here public string history of job, history of job and project, then curly braces. Above of that we have to write request mapping. In that request mapping I have to write history job and project. Then we have to copy this particular mapping from here and return on same kind of page. So return on similar kind of page. Okay, so whenever someone call this kind of mapping, it will redirect on these pages. So we have to create that page in our pages folder. So click on that, new, other, and JSP. Click on that, paste our mapping, click on a finish. Here you can see the page is created. Now we have to paste this entire code on that particular page. So we have to copy this entire thing from here and we have to paste this thing on here. Okay, so I pasted that things. So let's check it out now. Our page is coming here or not. So we have to go to our project. Here you can see click on a refresh button, and here you can see our session got expired. I just log in again in my company account. Here you can see I log into my company account. Click on manage job and project. Here you can see it will redirect me on this page, but our page is not loading. Okay, because we are passing the name of our particular company in our header file. Here you can see header file, and here you can see that particular thing is there, e.name. Okay, so we pass that particular name with this project, so we have to take this name into our company controller mapping. Okay, so for finding that particular data of company jobs or project, we have to get help from our company name. So by the help of that particular name we can easily find that particular data. So here you can see this one is a mapping of that particular page. I just simply copy this mapping from here and went to the header file and paste my original mapping here. Okay, so history job and project slash $sign e.name, which is the company name, and we have to take this e.name into our mapping also. So I am just writing a slash name. Okay, and all these all things as it is. Let's check it out now, it is working or not, or it will give some kind of error. Refresh this page from here. Session got expired. I have to log into my account again. Here you can see I log into my account, click on manage job and project, and here you can see now its page is successfully loaded. Here manage jobs and project, manage job on project plus, manage project on project plus. So these kind of things. Now here we have to show the entire thing related our job or company. Okay, so basically that company post particular job or particular project from this kind of portal. They can manage their job and project from here. Okay, I already discussed that things with you. So for get that particular data, we have a name here. So we have to take this path variable annotation here, path variable string name, and we have to declare one method here. So pd, which is project dot pd dot get job data. In that we have to pass our name. Okay, we have to put semicolon. We have to click on that particular method, create method in a project DAO. Okay, here you can see create method in project DAO. The method is created here. Now we have to change the return type as a list. Then we have to write here as a post job. Then we have to write that particular query here, so we can get that easily, get that particular data from here. Okay, so return t1 dot query. We have to write that query here. Select star from post job where name like single colon. In that single colon we have to write this kind of things, percentage sign, then double colon, then plus plus, then our name. Okay, I have to check one more time this is correct or not. So this one, I think this one is a correct. And in the thing optional, we have to write new row mapper. Then in that we have to pass our class name, that is apply job, then brackets, then curly braces, then semicolon, and we have to enter on a in between the curly braces. Then we have to write here as a unimplemented method. So we have to click on that particular thing and add unimplemented method. Here you can see the unimplemented method created here. Why it's showing me this kind of error, I don't know. Okay, okay, we have to write here as a post job. Okay, that's the thing, it will showing me this kind of thing. So we have to now simply create the object of our post job class, and we have to set and get that all kind of value from here. Okay, so I think we already set and get value of our post job. So I just see here which kind of value we have to set and get from here. So I just see here in our project down. So now here you can see this one is our post job value, that is post job, set id, set description, set title. So we have to get this entire thing from here. We have to get this entire thing and we have to paste this entire thing here. Okay, so all of the thing now set into p1, and by the help of that p1 we can get that easily value in our company controller. Okay, so all thing related to our project now is finished. Now we have to take this entire thing into one list, that is the apply job. Okay, post job, okay, sorry, post job. Then I'm just writing here post job data is equal to this entire thing. Okay, then by the help of model map we can easily get that entire data into one key, and by the help of that key we can easily show that value. So model map model map has a one method, that is add attribute values automatically come. We have to mention here the key. Okay, so I'm just writing here that key, comma, and that key here, that is the job data. Okay, now with the help of that key we can easily show that value on this kind of page. So we have to simply copy this value from here, and we have to come to a history job and project.jsp, and here you can see this one is the for a job, and here you can see this one is our key. So I have to paste my original key, that is job data, and by the help of our this kind of value we can now easily show that particular value from here. So here you can see this one is our database and this one is our value. So title is equal to title, so we have to remove this j from here. So j skills as equal to skill, we have to check that value in project DAO also, that is the skill. Okay, so I have to write here as a skill we have to remove the skill, then which is the type is equal to role, so I have to write here as a role, and salaries as it is, then I think the name and email as it is. Now we can see our data is coming here or not. So for that we have to read an our project from here, run as, run on server, tomcat, next, and click on finish. So let's check it out now. Our thing is coming here or not, or we can get, well, we will get some kind of error. If we get some kind of error, we will definitely solve that particular error from here. So we have to come to our browser. Here you can see I log into my company account, and if you check our database, Wipro Technology has posted two job posted here. Wipro Technology @gmail.com, and a job that is the network administrator, and GAT, which is graduate engineer training. So let's check it out now. This kind of job is showing here or not. So we have to come to navbar, click on a manage job and project, click on that, and here you can see now our data is successfully coming here. That is a network administrator, that is job.
5 hours later.
So now here you can see I just log into my company account. Now I done all of the requirement that requirement need for showing the project detail also. So let's check it out now. Our project detail is coming here or not. So here you can see in our database there is the one project that posted by the Wipro Technologies, that is the, here you can see Wipro Technologies, and project title is the automated inventory management system. Okay, so let's check it out now. This is coming here or not. For your reference, I can again post one kind of project from here. So I just write here any kind of thing, that is the hospital management. The project description is a anything. Project documentation, I just choose anything from my PDF from here. Okay, I just choose my resume, and relevant skill, that is the Spring Boot Hibernate SQL, and budget for this is 25 lakhs to 2 sorry 2,15,000, and click on a submit. Okay, now here you can see the project detail is posted here. Now check it out now. Our project is showing on our that particular page or not. Okay, so for that we have to come to our project again. Okay, we have to come to our project. Now here you can see this is the company home page, and click on a manage job and project, and here you can see automated inventory management system and project budget, required skill, company name, company email, and this one is the manage section. So company can remove that particular project from here, and this one is a recent project, that is a hospital management. This is the project budgets, required skill, Wipro Technology, and this kind of email. So this kind of things we fix in this video. That is how we can show the job or project posted by company, how they can manage that thing. This thing we will discuss in our upcoming video. So how they can edit, how they can remove this from here. So all related code operation we will discuss in this upcoming video. Okay, so here you can see how I done this all of the things from here. So here you can see this one, this is the thing I do for the job, and this is the thing I done for a project. So project, so this is the method I declare for a job, this is the method I declare for a project. I simply declare this method, I get this entire thing into one list, and with the help of model attribute we can easily get that value in our particular key. So here you can see this one is a similar kind of query. I just write here that is select star from post project, where cname like is equal to this kind of particular name. I just simply set and get that particular value, and with the help of p1 we can easily get the data into controller. By the help of model map we can easily get the data into add attribute, and by the help of key we can easily show that data in our that particular page. Here you can see this one is the key. Okay, so this is all about today's video. In this video we will discuss about how we can show the job and project posted by company on itself. Okay, so in the upcoming video we will discuss about how we can edit that particular job from here. So these kind of things we will discuss in our upcoming video. Okay, so if you didn't watch our previous video, I request you please watch this video, and next video we will come on the next week. So sorry for that, because I already busy in some kind of work. If you didn't subscribe my channel till now, I request you please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It motivates me lots. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you next video. Thank you so much.